So we're gonna make a science project. We need apple cider vinegar, a cup, some salt, and some baking soda. I think it's gonna work because I tried it already. So this is gonna go on YouTube, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna work. And you can add your own stuff to make it a little more sizzly. Put some glitter in there, whatever you want to do. So let's try this out.
That's why you go with us. You get to pick one out you want. I want a black one. This guy's on the ropes, going back and forth. They're fighting. How about this? Asian kids can grow up and become ninjas. Right? Excuse me. Hello. It says black ninjas. Thank you. Thank you. You guys gotta do something to make it pick one, or else both of you lose. Just pick one based on what you really have to get with it. Yeah, choose that one right now. Again, I'll be full. We'll be happy with either choice. You're black. I win. Yeah, I do. That's not me, right? I'm gonna give it to Joe. That's how you do it. Next round, baby.
You gotta let it dry for a sec. Like, give it 10 minutes, and it's gonna look cool at the end.
Okay, alright, Sal. This one's for you. I think this dance move.
You can put a little bit more baking soda or a little bit more salt.
Good show, Sal. I call it the double dutch. Now cute, but I think this is the coolest dance.
Whoa. Well, that fell. The video's still going, so it was a liquid, now it's harder, so this is what I like to do. I'm gonna go over here, go to my freezer, but first you gotta take the liquid out, so it's gonna be hard, but you gotta take the rest of the liquid out. So now it's all hard, a little bit slimy, so now you gotta put it in the fridge. Or the freezer. Wait for like 5-10 minutes. So it's been 10 minutes. 10 minutes. So we can get the whatever you want it to be, because it can be It can be it can be used for multiple things. So we can get that out and get right to it. It's in the fridge. So that's it right here. It's gonna look like it's wet, but it's really slime type of stuff. It's gonna feel like ice cream kind of.